Woox just announced their new fancy line of walnut stocks. In this video, we're going to cover what's available, what it's going to cost, and we're going to upgrade another one of our lever guns. Hey guys, Gavin Gear here from UltimateReloader.com. Recently, we took a Henry X model lever gun and gave it an amazing upgrade with the new Bravado stocks from Woox. That's what we have right here. You're going to want to check out that story. I go through the process of performing the upgrade and we shoot it with the new stocks. It's a really great way to add both visual interest and functionality to your lever gun. Now Woox has just announced their fancy line. What is the fancy line? It is a lineup of American walnut stocks that basically take the American walnut products and elevate them to collector status. So what's included in the lineup? You've got Superleggera, which is a really awesome hunting-oriented stock. You're going to want to check out our 280 AI build that we did with that. We've got Gladiatore, which is a set of shotgun stocks that are available in this new lineup. And then we've also got Bravado, which is exclusively for lever guns. So the price premium is about $200 for sets. These are only available in sets because they are matched, they are hand oiled. This is next level stuff. Let me get these stocks out of the boxes and we'll see just how much better they are. Okay, so I just got these out of the box, and I'll have to say, this truly is next level. I mean, look at the figuring there, hand oiled. It has a totally different appearance compared to the standard lineup. The standard lineup appears to have polyurethane finish or similar. It's extremely nice. It's got a matte finish. But the hand oiled finish with this select, hand-picked, figured American walnut is truly exceptional, and you can see things match nicely with regard to the nature of the figuring. This is going to come together super awesome. Okay, so that's the fancy line. I'm going to get started on my upgrade, and just remember our last video where we did the initial Bravado upgrade has all of the specifics and basically a breakdown of the process from start to finish. Well, here it is, the finished rifle. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is pretty awesome. Same upgrade. You're going to spend about twice as much or 3 times as much time on the forend as you are on the buttstock. With the forend, you're going to hammer out the dovetail and then remove the factory handguard. There's just 2 screws, one on each side. And then there's an insert that you get in place beforehand, and that uses the same 2 screws that the factory forend used for attachment. Then the forend just goes up into kind of the cutout here at the front of the receiver, pivots upwards, and then you've got 3 screws here at the front of the forend that secure the front. It's sort of clipped in place in the back. And then for the buttstock, it's just the single screw on the top, slide off the plastic factory furniture, and then on goes the Bravado buttstock. 1 screw holds it together. Nice and tight. overall, a really straightforward install. I put the banished backcountry on here, keeps it nice and compact. And then for a scope, I decided to go with the Element Optics Theos 2-10. This is a new optic that we're working with, and I thought, what better application for a 2-10 scope than a lever gun? So I've got my eye relief dialed in. I like the height of the scope. It's super handy to have the cheek riser on the Bravado furniture. So what I'm gonna do next is to get this sighted in. We're gonna have some fun shooting. Well, that was a lot of fun. It's always a good time when you got the lever gun out, but this time I did something a little bit different. I shot off the tripod and I shot offhand. Definitely had a good time, and I think the pairing of the Element Theos 2-10, the banished backcountry, and this upgraded X model are an absolutely fabulous combination. I do wonder though what it would be like to shoot this rifle off the bipod with the rear bag. Maybe that's something that I'm gonna try next. So in review, you're gonna wanna check out our first video where we upgraded our 4570X model, because we've got a little bit more detail on the install process and a different type of shooting experience in that story. Also, I need to mention, Ultimate Reloader 10, the code gets you 10% off everything Woox, right? Everything is included, including this fancy line furniture, which to review is available for Gladiatore on the shotgun side. It's available for Superleggera on the hunting side and for Bravado for the lever guns. I'm really excited about having this set up now, and it definitely does make me want to mount it on the wall and just look at it all day. What I'd like to know is, what do you think of this furniture? The fancy line, taking it to the next level with the hand-oiled finish and the matched figured American walnut wood. This is truly something special. Do you have a particular rifle that you would put this on? Drop a comment and I'll see you guys down there in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching Ultimate Reloader on TV and want to take advantage of free resources, exclusives, and hot deals, just hold your camera phone up to the QR code, tap on the link, fill out the information, boom, you're getting Ultimate Reloader emails. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. Thanks again for watching.